Tired of staring at that no payment method added message when trying to support your favorite streamer or get a sub yourself? Let's fix that right now. First, head over to twitch.tv and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Creator Dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your Twitch account, including payment settings. On the left-hand side of the Creator Dashboard, look for the Affiliate Partner section, then click it. Under the Affiliate Partner section, select the Payout Information tab. This is where all the magic happens. You'll probably see Add Payment Method button. Go ahead and click that. If you've previously set one up, it will say Change Payment Method instead. You'll be presented with various payment options, such as PayPal, bank transfer, or even local options depending on your region. Choose the method that works best for you. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your payment details. This might involve linking your PayPal account or entering your bank account information. Make sure everything is accurate. Once you've entered all the required information, double-check everything and click Submit or Save. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully added. And that is it. You are ready to go.